Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the metabolism of the drug. So basically what is meaning of metabolism? So metabolism meaning reaction and drug. So the drug reaction is called as a metabolism. So it is also called as a biotransformation. So what is, first we will define what is metabolism of the drug. So biotransformation is the process of biochemical changes, or you can say alteration of drug in the body. So this is the definition. And what are the site? Site means where the reaction is happening. So it is mainly occur in the liver. Liver is the major site for the metabolism of the drug, and somewhat it is happening in the kidney, lungs and skin also. Then results of biotransformation. So some drugs are converted into the active metabolites. Some drug converted into active metabolites. Means drug are converted into some another forms in order to excrete. Then what is prodrug? You should know the meaning of the prodrug. So pro means inactive and drug means whatever the chemical substance is there is called as a drug. So inactive form of the drug. So inactive form of the drug which get converted into active form in the body. This is called as a prodrug. So what are the enzyme involved in the biotransformation? So it is catalyzed by the specific enzyme which is present in the liver. So there are the two phases. Phase 1, phase 2. So phase 1 is called as a non-synthetic reaction. Phase 2 is synthetic reaction phase. So now we will discuss about drug. This is drug. It has a 3 passage of metabolism. First is directly excreted, means some drugs are directly excreted without changed. It is directly excreted through the kidney. Some are undergo the phase 1 reaction, some are undergo the phase 2 reaction. So basically what is in phase 1? Phase 1, this will the drug is converted into a polar metabolites. Polar metabolite means simply ion form. So it is converted into a polar metabolites and which get excreted. If it is not sufficiently polar, if not sufficiently polar, then it undergo the phase 2 reaction, and it will bind with water soluble compound. It will bind to the water soluble compound and it become highly polar and then excreted. In order to drug excrete, the drug should be polarity should be sufficient. If it is not sufficient, it will undergo the phase 2 reaction, and here the drug is directly bind to the water soluble compound. Example, sulfuric acid. Now phase 1 reaction. So drug is converted into the polar metabolites as we previously discussed. So drug is converted into polar metabolites by the reaction of oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. Second point is oxidation reaction is very important and it is caused by the oxygenase enzyme. And third one is if the metabolite is not sufficiently polar to be excreted, then it undergo the phase 2 reaction. Means it should be a sufficiently polar. If it is not sufficiently polar, then it undergo the phase 2 reaction. In phase 2 reaction, what is that? Either drug or phase 1 metabolite which is not sufficient polar. It will bind to the water soluble compound, that is sulfuric acid or amino acid, and it will get converted into a highly polar compound which is going to excreted through the kidney. So this complete about the metabolism of the drug. Thank you. If you have any doubt, then comment me.